Good morning, guys. Beautiful Friday morning here in South Florida until this afternoon when the thunderstorms come again. You might think I'm sitting inside an Escalade, but I'm actually sitting inside a short bed Chevy truck with an Escalade cluster and center console and a cat-eye conversion on the front. I now bring to you your Friday cam chop. She's pretty nasty. And the fuel she's burning smells sweet. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I'm having a hard time holding the camera still because it's chopping away. Enjoy your Friday, guys.